In this video, we will learn how to grow wheat grass at home without soil. First of all, you need some healthy seeds of wheat and soak the seeds for at least 10 to 12 hours. You need cotton or any other container to grow wheat grass at home without soil, and make some hole into your container and gently spread out the seeds of wheat into the tray. Cover them with the help of cotton. Water well. After one day, you can easily see the result. After 3 days, wheat grass is so beautiful and so healthy. After 5 days, you can easily see the green leaves and the tallness of wheat grass and roots. This is so beautiful and so healthy. I am success to grow wheat grass at home without soil. So guys, thanks for watching and like the video and comment how is that and subscribe my channel.